So this is like egg fertilized, egg unfertilized, or this. And egg fertilized is basically something that can be distinguished from its environment over time by weight or mass. And so if we really are reverse engineering the nuclear trade secrets, go us. But I think what's more interesting is trying to set up standard measurements. Like we have basically like for the metric system, we have very carefully standardized weights and measurements. So if what Daniel Dennett says is true, that aggregate mechanics are like phenomenally more important than reductionistic knowledge, like this is an atom, it weighs this much. Well, if aggregate mechanics matter so much more and is the basis of, for example, let's say the nuclear trade secrets, then we should have some publicly standardized measurements. Like instead of like, okay, this is what a proton weighs. Well, we should basically focus on getting to like a 111 measurement and just determining in the public sphere what that means and how can that be standardized. So basically all of university scientists and high school teachers can work off that. That could be like A. And then later on, we could look at, let's say, an atom, and then we could figure out like a 111 measurement. And then that could be B in terms of like what to teach kids first, second, third. And because ultimately that might matter way more than like, reductionistic knowledge is like, here's a proton, here's an electron. What does that mean? It's hard to say. Well, if we focus on, again, like 111 measurements, then we maybe could do like A, B, C, D, and then we could create a universal language that's not just the nuclear trade secrets reverse engineered, but starting to go levels beyond. Like they're kept secret so they can't be advanced. But let's say TopWiki makes them public. Okay, well, how can we make them better? And I did my 1 hour of family finances for Sam Prater and Daughters.